bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original I'm saying at Yesota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesota. And the program you are watching today is Kini Show television. My phone number is on the screen 0810-8431-336. We receive only WhatsApp messages on this line because we cannot receive calls here and receive calls on the other channel. So it's advisable to be sending your messages on this line. Kini Show television 081-084-31-336. It's on the screen. After watching this program, some people will be calling. Please, can I have your phone number? Can I have your WhatsApp number? It's on the screen already. Don't forget the publisher of these books, African Power, Honest in Medicine, Healing Power of Funny, Solution to Human Problems. Some people are having this book. Some people are having female, how to get a male child. You are having male, you want to have a female. It's in this book. This one, if you have staphylococcus, it's in this book. Healing Power of Honey. Then if you have fibroid, it is in this book. But make sure your fibroid is not a multiple one. So because as we are advertising, some people are hearing us, they will not come in time until when they have a very multiple and big fibroids. Don't come and buy the book because of multiple fibroids. Because you have been waiting, you have been sharing, you have been listening to the program. Follow without buying anything for the past 6 years, 8 years. If you have fibroid and it has developed to a certain level, you need to see a doctor for that one. You need to do operation for that one. This one can only cure small fibroid. Don't not say I told you. Because I used to tell some people, I refunded money for somebody. When he told me that he have a multiple fibroid, I said, I can't treat it. This book cannot solve that one. When you have been advertising, you are busy eating sweet, eating shingomu in the bus. When they advertise something that is good for you, you use your money to buy cream, to buy luxurious things. So when the fibroids grow like this, that people in the area will be asking you, how many months is your pregnancy? Don't buy this book. It's only for who just get a minor, small size fibroid. I used to tell people the truth. Today I say I want to teach you. If you are living in a town or country and that place doesn't favor you, what you can do, you can use the sand. You can use the sand of your house where you used to come inside to go inside the house. How you can use this sand so that this town, city, village or country where you are living will favor you. People normally say there's money in Lagos. People rush to Lagos. Still, they don't see money. There's money at Abuja. Some people will leave their workshop at Ibadan, at Osun State, Ondo Ekiti. They go to Abuja, nothing to show up. Wherever you are, where you are staying, that state, how it's going to favor you, I will tell you today. Because some people, they say there's money in Lagos. There's money in Lagos. I remember some people, they came from Lagos to attend a party in Oyo State in early 80s. The cloth they bought, that when they reach the party, they will do show off. They will do show off. This is the third clothes. You are going to wear the first cloth. They are going to wear the second cloth. This is the third cloth. All the people in the town, they will bow down for them. But when they reach Oyo State, some of the women that were frying meat, the cloth they decided to wear, the third cloth, to make people to bow them for them. Some of the women frying meat, it was on their body. Aṣọ tẹ́ fẹ́ fi ṣègbéraga, wọ́n ti fi ń dènà ń bàdàn. So immediately they came down from motor. When they saw those people, I want to greet Baba Lagbaja, I want to greet Baba Tamedu. When they reached the place, they saw people frying meat. The cloth they decided to use as the third cloth to do yanga, they saw other people using the cloth. The cloth was on them, frying meat. So they decided to hold meetings. This cloth, we are not going to use it again. So you can be at Ibadan and make your money. You can be at Kaduna and make your money. But where the soil of the land doesn't favor you, what you can do, I will tell you, is what I'm saying. Some people are in Lagos for the past 60 years, sorry to say, they're in a room, one-room apartment, one room. They are at Ajegunle, some are to Dioro, Olosa, some are to Shodi. Because there's money in Lagos, there's money in Lagos. They came to Lagos, they couldn't see money. But when you know certain things, anywhere you are, you don't need to travel out. Some people are in overseas countries, they are suffering. And the people in the country here, they always think that those people, they are Mesa. Àwọn ni wọ́n ń pè wọ́n. Wọn ò mọ tó ń ṣe wọ́n lọ́hùn. Ẹlòmíín ṣiṣẹ́ labour without anything to show off. So this is it. This is the sand. You pick the sand leading to your house, in front of your house. This is the sand. I'm taking this one as a sample. This is the sand of my own house. You will miss the sand that leads to the house where you are living. Where you rent your apartment for the past 30 years, your family are expecting you in the country here, but nothing to show. You can't come because of shame. This is salt. This is cooking salt. I always tell you, very powerful. Cooking salt is very powerful. See, cooking salt and the sand that lead to entrance to your house, mix them together like this. Whenever you want to bath, take small thing like this, put it in your bathing water. In the morning, if you want to shower in the night, put it in your bucket of water as well. By the special grace of God, that country, that state, that city or village you are, will begin to favor you. You pray to it, don't forget, prayer is the sword of Christian. Yes, you hold it like this, you talk to the sand. Anything you want in that state, anything you want in that town, anything you need in that country, God, I've been suffering here. I want to enjoy this country as from today. I want to be enjoying this country as from today. By the special grace of God, within 7 days, you will see miracles in your life. Don't forget, sand at the entrance of your house and small salt. Mix them together. Take your bath with it in the morning and night. Always tell God, I need favor, I need mercy. All these documents I need to process, I want it to reach my house. Don't forget to give me my... Say thank you. Don't forget to say thank you. Some people are doing so. Baba, I need to be giving you something. They are doing so. When you see the work of this thing, when you give me work, money, I will not reject it. But there are some people that will keep on asking questions. I will check their WhatsApp. Nothing. Follow without buying anything. I don't tolerate it. I don't like it. And there are some people, They will be sending 419 messages. One cement man want to give out money. Please, click, stop it. Oh. Somebody who also will borrow person money. We saw your name on the WhatsApp. I don't like it. Many people are watching the program. They have my numbers on their WhatsApp. I don't like it. I'm not a guarantor to anybody. Don't send message of somebody who me. Don't send it to my WhatsApp again. I'm tired of it. When I receive 3 or 5 of that one in a day, it used to tell that person. Then when you are sending 419 messages, federal government want to give out 200,000. Which federal government? Don't send that type of messages to me again. I beg you in the name of God. You can see my book at Babolo Bus Stop, Yesota. Babolo Bus Stop, Yesota. You can go to my agency in the town, Mushin. You can go to number 4, Alukola Street, Mushin. You can go to Oshodi, number 6, Everett Way, Alasia Bus Stop, Alasia Oshodi. You can go to Bariga, number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. At Surulere, you can go to number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele, Surulere. You get my books and honey there. But it's always addressable to buy books and honey. If you are looking for only honey, it may not sell for you because honey is very scarce. We reserve the little honey we have for our customers who has bought our books or who are ready to buy our books. They don't have first honey in the afternoon. They normally have first honey in the night. And who will go to bush in the night? When those who are going to farm in the afternoon, they don't get security. My phone number is on the screen again. Kenny Show, Vision 0810-8431-336. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.